Ever wondered how to set up MetaMask? Pondered over the labyrinth of blockchain wallets and wished for a comprehensive guide to navigate through? Well, the wait is over. Today, we dive into the world of MetaMask, a secure, user-friendly gateway to the blockchain world. Imagine MetaMask as your digital wallet, a safe house for your valuable cryptocurrencies. It's an extension for your web browser that allows you to run Ethereum dApps right in your browser without running a full Ethereum node. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? Let's roll up our sleeves and delve into the step-by-step process of setting up MetaMask. Step 1. Download and install MetaMask. Open your web browser and visit the official MetaMask website. Click on the download button and choose your browser of choice. Follow the prompts to add the MetaMask extension to your browser. Step 2. Create a MetaMask wallet. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser toolbar. Select Create a Wallet. You will be asked if you want to allow MetaMask to collect usage data. Choose your preference and proceed. Step 3. Secure your wallet. Here comes the crucial part, setting up a strong password. Ensure it is a combination of alphabets, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password and click on Create. Step 4. Back up your secret phrase. Post-password setup, MetaMask will show you a secret backup phrase. It's a string of 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet if you lose your password. Make sure to write it down and store it securely. Step 5. Confirm your secret phrase. To ensure you've saved your secret backup phrase, MetaMask will ask you to input the 12 words in the order they were shown. Once you've done that, click on Confirm. Voila! You've successfully set up your MetaMask wallet. But remember, your journey has just begun. You can now interact with the Ethereum blockchain, send and receive Ethereum tokens, and participate in the decentralized finance, DeFi world. To summarize, setting up MetaMask involves 5 key steps. You begin by downloading and installing MetaMask on your browser. Next, you create a MetaMask wallet. The third step involves securing your wallet with a strong password. Following that, you back up your secret phrase and finally confirm it. Remember, MetaMask is your doorway to the exciting world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. It's a powerful tool that bridges the gap between you and the decentralized web. Just like any tool, it's only as secure and effective as you make it. So always use a strong password, keep your secret backup phrase safe, and ensure you're using the official MetaMask website or extension. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up MetaMask. It's time to embark on your blockchain journey with confidence and security. Happy trading!